We are back with part 3.
Where lightning makes a big jump up this ramp and off the stairs.
Come on.
And go!
Lightning is on his way. Richard.
Amazing!
Go and check the house for anything else.
We helped him get back up, so he is okay. And he will go back. Come on, Lightning. And Lightning comes back around into the dirt again. Lightning is stuck. Now, this is the last time you will see him make tracks. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
And go! Not that way.
He's going.
Reminder, this is part 3.
Yes. No, but I will in just a minute. Then he will do the jump one more time. And then part 3 is over.
Mommy?
Go and check the house. Let's go.
Now Lightning will do the same jump again. He's coming.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no! He misses the jump. We will get him back up. Wow, part 3 was amazing.
See you next time and we'll try it again.